Hi everyone, Alan from Newlands Nursery. Welcome to today's 5 Minute Friday, and today we are talking all about lemongrass and we are potting this fantastic herb up. So if you've never grown lemongrass before, but always thought about doing it, I would highly recommend doing it from cuttings. So this is a plug of lemongrass. If you grow them from seed, the chances are you're not really going to harvest them anytime soon. Could be a couple of years, could be a long time, but growing from cuttings where you start getting these sprouting really, really quickly, if kept in really good conditions, planting now, you can start harvesting in the summer. So it's that quick when the plant does get going. So what I'm going to do is just fill this pot with compost. There we go, all the way to the top. Now, there's nothing particularly special about this compost other than the fact that it drains really, really well. There's a bit of feed in there, and that really does help. They are hungry plants, but this is a plant that I'm going to feed probably when it starts growing every other week as well, just to get it going. But they make really good conservatory plants as well. So this is a 1 litre pot, around about 12 centimetres across the top. Now I get the plug and I'm going to plant it about the depth. So we want the depth of the soil that it's already in to be the same when it's in its new home. So I'll make a hole bigger than the root ball and just pop it in. Don't want to push it in, just place it in and then just firm it down. And that's as simple as that. What you do need to know is, and probably most importantly, they are not frost hardy. And in fact, right here and now, I think this is, if you've got a heated greenhouse, this is perfect. A conservatory that gets heated the same as your house does, that's ideal as well. If not, a windowsill, a light windowsill is absolutely perfect for this. Keep the compost moist, but not too wet. You don't want it soggy. But as long as you do that, it grows quicker than you think, and it may end up being a nice, almost houseplant for a little while. When we get past the risk of any frosts and it's nice and warm outside, maybe towards the end of May, it can go outside. But before you know it, these are going to turn into the stems that you maybe buy at the supermarket to add to your curries or your dishes or whatever you want, really. It is a fantastic plant to grow at home and easier than you think. If you've got any questions at all, get in contact. See you soon.